Hello everyone, thanks again for tuning in for another video. Many of us hop on pocket option and we learn about the stochastic lines, but just to be more clear for any beginners out there so you know exactly what you're doing. When you hear the term overbought, this means that you need to be looking at signals that or lines that are above the 80. Okay? Now, if the stochastic indicator falls below the 20 or the 50, however you want to change the numbers down here, you are going into an oversold situation. That means you're going to be looking to take a buy. Again, just to recap, if it's over the 80, you're looking to make a put, it's going down. If it's under the 50 and coming back up, you're looking to take a buy. So the question is, how do I make money to trade? We all need money to trade. Here are a couple things that you can do. Consider side hustles. Yes, that is kind of a trend now. Everyone is embarking on doing their side hustle that either may come from the garage or you do hair on the side. Either way, it's a side hustle that brings them in a little bit of extra cash. The next thing, put aside money from your regular paycheck. Maybe every time you get paid, siphon off $10, $30, or $50. It does build up. Think about turning a passion into a money stream. Are you that dude that likes to build stuff in the garage? As I said again with the side hustles, well, there you go. There are many platforms where you can actually showcase your skills. Get on it. Consider part-time remote jobs where you can make at least $100 a week. It's a little bit of something that you can play with and you can put into pocket options and see what happens. So now, on to the new strategy. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.